Well, Mark, this little baby caught my eye. This is a 64 Alfa Romeo. What model?
Giulia Spider.
Giulia Spider. You know, I'm not sure I've seen a 64 before, and there's some lines in this that are almost Fiat-like, but it's Alfa Romeo.
Yeah, definitely, all Alfa Romeo.
They're probably just looking at each other, you know. It's all Italian.
Yeah, they're probably cousins or something.
So how long have you had this?
Well, we bought this particular car in 1999. My dad gave me a call and said he found one that was in boxes and asked me if I wanted to be involved in restoring it. I said sure. So.
Really? I mean, like it was a kit, huh?
No, sort of. Not a kit. But, it was a rust bucket that somebody had started on.
No kidding.
And
how long did it take you to get? I mean, it's beautiful now.
Well, we actually had it on the road for the first time in 2009.
Man, one of the things I always love about just Alfa Romeos of this time is that grille is just so great.
Yeah, it's distinctive of an Alfa Romeo.
It really is. And now, did you have to? I mean, surely you had to re-chrome everything and.
Yep. Some things you can still get aftermarket.
Really?
Through suppliers like International Auto Parts and
I'm surprised
some other Alfa.
They made enough of these to be repopping parts for them. But they did, eh?
Yeah, I guess there's quite a following out here. I mean, it's a beautiful car. Everybody likes it.
Oh yeah. And typically, when you see these, they're red.
Yeah.
But you went with black, and was this a black car? You guys decided it's going to look good in black.
It would look good in black. It was when we got it, it was white. So
it wouldn't look as good in white.
No.
Man, love the windshield, wraps right around. You know, your leather wrapped steering wheel, and you redid the interior and everything too.
Yes,
obviously.
yeah, it was ground up.
No kidding.
Yeah, everything came off the car.
So how'd you redo the metal? I mean, if she was a rust bucket, they're not making quarters and stuff for this.
No, he hand made it.
Really?
My dad works at a garage in Kansas City, and he's got a crack team of guys there, and some of it was made on an English wheel and welded back in. And
old school.
Old school. You got it.
Man. So is it fun to drive? I mean,
oh God, it is a blast.
Gotta believe.
You know, I've had newer cars, and I would love to take you for a ride in it because it's just an experience none like other.
You know what? I would love to take you for a ride.
I would do that.
But even from the the rear end, it's really got nice lines.
Yeah.
And man, that black paint job, that's tricky to pull off, and you did.
Mm-hmm. The young man that painted that is in his 20s. He's going to have an excellent career.
Got some talent.
He did. He did an awesome
just looks
job.
great. So 1600, I'm assuming the engine designation there?
Yep, 1600 cc.
Let's go look at it.
Sure.
Oh man, now that's a sweet little engine. So I'm assuming dual overhead cam.
Yes, sir.
1600, inline 4, what, Webers?
Yep.
Oh man.
40 millimeter.
I bet that's a screamer.
Oh, it's a rocket. and it loves to run between 3,000 and 4,000 RPMs.
And what's the red line on this? Is up around 65?
Yeah, right about there.
And
I've had it up to about 65.
Does it really like sing at that point?
Oh, it's yeah. There's that Italian exhaust scream.
It's so nice it's gonna make me cry. Gosh, you did a nice job in here too. Now she sits a little bit. Actually, it's canted a little bit in the mounts, isn't it?
Yeah, and the older ones are done that way. And in fact, if you see, some people have taken these cars and put like bigger engines in it, and you have to cock it just even a little bit more. So
really,
I assume it's because of the carburation on it.
Man, she is just a beautiful, beautiful little car. Boom. Now, you from around here?
Yeah, I'm from Wilmington, Delaware.
So you've been to the Hagley Show before?
Never.
Really?
This is my first year.
Is this great?
It is awesome. I can't believe all the great cars out here.
And the drive-in.
Spectacular. Right up the Brandywine.
Oh, you gotta love it. Well, man, I think this is the only Alfa Romeo 1600 Giulia here.
Really?
I think so. I love it, Mark. Thanks for bringing it out, man.
Thank you for talking to me.
64 Alfa Romeo. Very nice.